It's a bright sunny day in So Harmony's world. Summer is almost over and a new school year is just around the corner. Before it begins, Harmony and her friends are meeting at the splash pad for one more day of fun in the sun.
Hi friends! I'm Harmony the helper. This is my little brother Deuce. We're meeting our friends for a fun day at the splash pad. Hi Harmony and Deuce!
The friends ran through the fountains, played beneath the water arches, and took turns on the slides.
Splash!
Brix and Deuce raced through the water arches and celebrated with a big high five. Harmony, Lila, and Melani splashed, laughed, and danced through the fountains together.
Here I go! Yay! That was awesome!
They took turns, played together, and made one more collection of happy summer memories.
Wow! You went super fast! You did it! Way to go!
After so much splashing, the friends stopped for a cool drink and a little rest.
School starts soon. What are you excited about? It's okay to feel excited, nervous, or both. A new school year is a new adventure.
Then the friends enjoyed lunch and talked about their favorite summer memories.
My favorite part was the big slide.
Before we go, let's have one last splash.
See you in our next adventure.
Be kind, be you, that's a special thing to do. Every smile, every heart, that's where harmony starts. Be kind, be you, we're all wonderfully made to. Be kind, be you, like harmony.
Keep the learning going with So Harmony's World digital printable flashcards, preschool workbook, and poster collections, made for learning at home or in the classroom.
So Harmony's World.